Got my dataset loaded up in my old pickup truck. 90,000 samples and a little bit of luck. Been training all night long on this neural network here. Gradient descent's got me shifting into gear. Train me like you mean it, baby. Adjust them weights. Lower that loss function before the morning breaks. My learning rate's been climbing like a summer day. So feed me all your data, let that model play. Overfitting got me worried like a two-timin girl. Regularization's what I need to save my world. Cross validation splits my heart in 5 different ways, but that accuracy's climbing through these backprop days. Train me like you mean it, baby, adjust them weights. Lower that loss function before the morning breaks. My learning rate's been climbing like a summer day. So feed me all your data, let that model play. From the CPU to the GPU, we're processing strong. Random forest been computing all night long. Activation functions fire like whiskey going down. I'm the best damn algorithm in this one-horse town. Train me like you mean it, baby. Tune those hyperbane right. Batch normalization's gonna get us through the night. My divergence is coming like the sunrise on the bay. So feed me all your data, let that model play.